Good morning mga day! Finally, it's a sunny day diri sa isla. Feeling inspired to be productive today, kay ni adlaw na gyud. And so, I decided to make an updated vlog of our life here in the island. Share po na ko sa inyo ako mga simple DIY Pampa-Gwapa tips na mabuhat po ninyo sa inyong mga panimalay. Kaya maski naka-lockdown to dzai, dapat guwapa and fresh kihapon ta, no? And so, tara mga pinata, and let's start this day! Gardener outfit, aka Teletubbies outfit, because paak sa lamok is real. So dapat yan. Para di ka mapaakan og lamok bash. Let's go! Tip number 1. Relax lang po sa umaga mga dzai. Every gising is a blessing, so start your morning right with gratitude, attracting positivity, and counting your new leaves. Charot. Counting your blessings every day. More lettuce, spinach, and bok choy, and pechay. Mostly I have potos that I propagated and trying to grow into giant potos. Bell peppers and chilies, different kinds of chilies, demonyo and the siling labuyo. Ang kamatis, besh! Hallelujah! Let's luto! In fairness, atong sitaw, besh, maski laya-laya na siya. O, diba? Nagyapon tayo pang sudan. Ay, nabuak! Kinakusgang. Kanin. Yan. And homemade tapa. It's my first time trying to make tapa. So, I don't know how it will taste. And of course, may kinakusgang sitaw from the garden as side dish para go grow and glow dzai. Healthy dapat. Our brunch is smiling. Gutom na dzai. Naalawi siya isabaw. Uy! So while that tapas cooking, abrihan nato ning yogurt na nalimtan ako vesh. Dapat ganina pa ning pagmata na ako gi-check. But we'll see kung naporma na siya. O, diba? Barrio Fiesta. Dito sponsored. So, we just use our old jars to make our own yogurt. And you can see it's a success. Oh my God, akong kukuhastang katsaka ha. Because ang yogurt is around 300 pesos per liter, but milk is 80 pesos per liter, and you can make 3 jars with 1 liter. So, we always make our own. Okay, this will go to the fridge now. Crunch time. O, diba? Tilawid ang tapa yan. Alright, for tip number 2, eat healthy and stay hydrated. Medyo pait yun sa panahon karon, no? But good food need not be expensive. Tuon tagtanom, luto, og always stay in budget. Moment of truth. Perfect timing po na magbawas-bawas tag rice, no? Kay makatipid ka na, mamayat pa ka. O, diba?
It's good.
Atek. Sarap? Is it cooked? Soft?
Soft.
Wow! It's a success! Woo! Char-char, chamba-chamba lang. Ay! Last na ito. Number 3. Magpasingot ta maski nakapundo ratas balay. Di ka kaadtog gym kay naka-quarantine. Hala, panglimpyo dzai. Pag jump rope, pag zumba-zumba, pag dagandagan sa inyong tugkaran, pag gukurog ipis, unsa pa ba? Unless 22 na imong hawak ug namoy napulo ka katabang, galaw-galaw din dzai. Cooking and everything, and it's finally time na magpa-fresh. So, let's go! ginaingon ligo-ligo din sis, maski naka-quarantine. I'm finally gonna share with you my DIY self-care and beauty tips that you can do sa inyong mga balay. So, i-share lang ako ang mga tips in chronological order. First and foremost, ligo-ligo din sis. Dili to siya joke. So, grabe matag effort sa gardening and everything, no? So, legit ang ako ang singot og mga hugaw-hugaw na mga yuta na nagsiksik sa masking asa. So, just ligo with regular savon and shampoo. Decided to do a face and body scrub today. So it's nicer if ibabad na nato atong hair sa hair mask while we scrub all of that libag because it might take some time, right? First one is this all-natural hair mask, which is so famous. It's not a secret at all. Coconut milk! Di lang pang kusina, pang buhok pa. Wow! But kidding aside, gata is very rich in fatty acids and nutrients that's super moisturizing for our scalp and hair. And blessed to be surrounded by Cocolands, what do I do? No? Pero wait, if you don't want to go through the hassle of using coconut milk as a hair mask, I found a very good alternative and it's only 6 pesos. This is the VITAKERATIN Expert Salon Treatment ug sa white char. It's really effective. It's specially formulated with salon treatment solutions to give your frizzy and unruly hair Brazilian blowout straightness. Infused with vitamin. They have 3 variants, the gold, black, and pink. But so far, I've only tried using the gold and black one. And it really gives that naturally straight and soft hair. And then, kani siya nga hair is air-dried lang. Like, wala man ganin ako nag-blower because I really don't have the talent in blow-drying my hair. And this is how it looks like just after like letting it dry naturally. As you can tell, it's really soft and smooth, and I'm not the kind of person na sigig panudlay. I rarely suklay my hair. It just gives me more reason to forget about my suklay. Kay, like, it's just naturally straight and, you know, like pang commercial. O, diba? Wala effort. The way I take care of my hair is by not shampooing every day. Kaya para ma-retain ang oil sa hair, right? But I do wash my hair every day kay syempre anything else kay sa Siargao. And I condition. Dili siya sakit sa bulsa gamiton kay tag 6 pesos lang siya. And for one sachet, it has how much? 20 ml of product. And personally, I use 1 sachet twice. Dili siya pangitaon kay mapalit siya sa inyong mga suking tindahan and groceries. Pero kung namo sa mga bukid na areas or sa isla like Siargao, you can also get it on Shopee and on FB Marketplace. So kung wala kay pasensya na mag-coconut milk mask, I say go for this one because this is a very easy DIY home salon treatment. Use regularly to achieve everyday salon beautiful hair. Bikini man. And now that we managed the frizzy hair situation, just leave the VITAKERATIN there while we scrub our body. Instead na ilabay lang na to ang coffee grounds, pwede na to siya gamitin as body scrub, mga dzai. Texture niya is good enough for exfoliating dead skin cells. So ayaw siya ilabay mga dzai. Magamit pa siya sa atong mga panit. Some people also use sea salt, pero ang sea salt medyo hapdusan ko sa ihaon sahay, so I stick with brown sugar. We can also add some oils like olive oil or argan oil kung social good ka dyan. Pero ayaw lang good cooking oil. Naa siya gamay residue, especially if magamit ko og olive oil. So I still soap my body after using it. Depende sa kapino or sa ka-coarse sa inyong coffee ground and sugar. Alalay lang sa pag-scrub. So just be gentle, especially sa now. And then if your face is a little bit sensitive, maybe don't use it on your face. Ang kape na maroon is hazelnut. So after I body scrub, I smell delicious dye like lamisyang By Xana, lamisyang By Xana. So after nakuskus na mga dapat na ng kuskuson, mga dye, mga low pressure area and mga cellulites somewhere, then it's finally time to rinse the coffee scrub. Careful lang kung na may white shower curtain and when you're using white towels. Also time to rinse the hair because it's probably more than 1 minute now. So kadaghan nimo gikuskus dzai. It's finally time to pamper our face. So I actually like aloe products for moisturizing. I also have the ones in tub, but of course nothing beats all natural aloe vera. So once in a while, I don't do it often kaya mahurot akong aloe vera plant dye. Get a good branch of aloe vera and chill it in the fridge for best results. Bago nimo siya inudnud sa imong naon, make sure na natanggal nimo ang mga tunok-tunok and basi magdugo-dugo imong naon dye. So beware. You can just rub the cold aloe flesh on your face, or you could also scrape out the flesh and make some kind of a gel and ibabad imong face for a few minutes. So when I use this at night before sleeping, I just leave it on my face and then wash my face the next morning. But today, I decided to do a simple Pampa Fresh makeup, so I rinsed off my face with water after using the aloe. Okay, and now that we're feeling fresh after ligo and mga ceremonias, now it's finally time to look fresh. Here's a tutorial on how I did this simple fresh look. Actually, after ligo, nakapanungkit pa ko crunchy papaya, no? And I did a quick mani. After all that, my hair is now dry and I'm ready to Awra. I'm sharing with you my everyday fresh look, and I always start that with cheek tint. And this particular cheek tint reminds me so much of my best friend because she literally eats this way back in college. Like, mabutngan iyang ngipon, mag-red bread. Next, just use concealer and brighten the highlight points of your face. Blend that well, and then don't forget kilay. These times we always wear a mask for our safety, so bank on your eyes kay maora ang makita dai. Curl them lashes and put some mascara. And this is my simple and easy Awra look, just finishing it with some accessories kay bahala na pobre basta hilas. Char lang. Unya murag banha na magud ang mga silingan, no? I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you do have your own home DIY Pampa-Ganda and Pampa Fresh tips, don't hesitate to share it on the comment box down below. And also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please follow my makeup page for more updates. Again, this is Xana P, and thank you so much for watching. Amping mong tanan, and I'll see you next time. Bye!